Golden State to joining the extended family of DOPK.
I, Tomas Osmeña, of Cebu City, having been elected to the position of mayor of the city of Cebu, do hereby solemnly swear that I will faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties and responsibilities of the office to which I have been elected. Uphold the fundamental laws of the Republic of the Philippines.
Uphold the fundamental laws of the Republic of the Philippines.
And obey all the laws of the land.
And obey all the laws of the land.
Without mental reservation.
Without mental reservation.
Or purpose of evasion.
Or purpose of evasion.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations, Mayor.
Congratulations, Mayor Tomas Tommy Osmeña.